Omwana wembe bakaboli omwana wenguko ngaye.
Esukuru yokurwa morokerio yobubwenia ya Ram Training College egutoka imeyomu chukisi nige ukumanyabuna nigo bakurwa morokerio yebirenko bigoro na nigo bancheire nekiombe kiamangana yechisemi Technical Vocational Education na Nursing Council of Kenya nigo babuata mabaga asechikos chikobwatia Diploma in Nursing, Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Medical Social Work Voigo nkwegeria bare Theater Technology amaigerio a HTS NASCOP nkurwa bare nigo baokora matemwa a Kenya National Examination Council Gusii asebali bakurwa tambe mbabwate chi hostels chokomenya nigo bare asenyegitari ya Ram ere ange nekigambiro kia Kisii Low Courts mbabwatoro sagyaronde ange ne kanisa Deliverance Church imeyomo chukisi apply riba gabono ase PO Box 81-40200 Kisii Gusii oa Kisii miasi namba enotisano na ibere yemo isato marakabere ibere yemo enotisano Gusii enotisano na yemo isano na enoti marakabere ibere isano na isano nemo Gusii enotisano na ibere isano na kianda enoti isano nemo inye kianda nabokubalikira liuko ase email yabo info.ramcollege@gmail.com. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Chitariki 15 umutinyi n'umutangani umwaka bw'ekiri 2024 nigo yaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabono maragoba elieteria nenkoro kwa job Mangi notoko batoko bwaterana nere elinde kwene kichibiche kinama lingo gwikera sente gwikiranu nigakoro kwa Polonaris akama yokwene kinga boy gonkonyorora mangana weterase umuntu imenyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta nkwira nanda sikagiteri getambe mbingu bamanyana ali abiriga gwatika ku Chinsa cyamambya gwikera bono maragoba. Amayia nigyo toko yachaga kuruase county ya Kisii asomurisia John Ondie Kimareri oyubo igoro mokonyi bo morokyo monene ase polytechnic ya Riragia Polytechnic aberega gusaba abayiboli koira abana babo ase sukuru cyo bobundi nigakoteba buna nigo chisukuru cyo bobundi chikwegere chikosi ekibwate amabaga mange yemeremo.
Namonde etegotebanga eserikali yabekire umuroberio okoro ku the new funding model aso mwana gocha eserikali ya mukonya korengana muna okonyora kwaye kore igo moyibori tagotigo omwana matemo nyora asokire ndatebe asama tukayaiga abantu abange bakorire chikosi kiriya cyo konyora white collar jobs igo bagokora bakora chidigiri nandi bayiga nabacha gutoriya ari technical asengenjo omwana okorire a technical course igo egasiero ororo kerengaki omwana okorire plumbing igo konyora ari asamenyete no ari getaso morango yenganje ne plumber abantu bamotebinga egasinire gaiga nkonye ga macha tichire omwana oyo nyore besa kugore sabuni omwana nabako omwana okorire osino bwagachi omwana okorire hairdressing and beauty therapy bana abo gasiteri ko babora akini ekarukorigereria chigasi chiga chia white collar jobs abokoranga ase amatuka yaiga chia keire lakini egasi amaboko iyegenderete komenta moroje muna omosike our president nagenderete gukwana igoro ya housing abana bakora emirimo ase chi nyomba chiria na abana bari baetire ase chi skuru chia technical igo technical is the way to go. Nere nchira bono tokogenda asenge encho none chinse chesiko emirimo ya technical nero abantu batakeire asenge njo gukora na kwen
Tutigarete aschiso chisemi nigo ekere wiki chiskuru au chigendete kulikia boroki wa secondary bose form 1 nigo mworokia umonene we skuru ya St. Angela's Sengera Samureta Sister Maria Sesera aberega kwenekia kulikia bana 180 ba form 1 niga aberega batebaguna okora buya ase amatemu mwaka o 2023 asababu ate minia 7.5 nobo bisubu abo bokonyora mubaro omiya ase omwakoyo ase abana ba form 1.
I'm Sister Maria Goreti Sesera, Principal, St. Angela Sengera Girls. This year, we are so much blessed because we raised our mean score from 7.07 to 7.5. We are glad because we are going to take to the university entry of 143. Our improvement came about because of the teamwork between all the stakeholders, the teachers, the parents, and the students themselves. And more so, the students were exemplary, disciplined, and they worked smartly. So far, our results have been attractive. By yesterday, we already had 180 students, and there's still room for more students coming to our school because of the exams, because of the results we posted.
Asoro botiro gotoikera rogo ichanya niga enka eyemokorwa sensemo ya nyacheki egendete kulira obwene bwabo eyemaga yo gusiria omwamatobo asinchira gututukanu asikili bakoteba niga atanyoleto kurwali gwa buyane nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital bono nigo babiri bagusaba serikali ya county ya Kisii goswana nagati rinde babakonyora obwene bwabo na amenyi be county ya Kisii babakonyora okurwali gwa okuya na bokoleri obuya kurwa sinyagitari ejo.
Nikaenda kuangalia, lakini kufika huko nikakuta wamemtoa hapo mahali aliumia, ameenda hospitali. Kufika hospitali nipata mwisani amesaidia yeye, akachukua hawa kwa gari lake akawachukua mpaka hospitali. Lakini hapo hospitali kulikuwa na maajabu kwa sababu kila kitu, hata kotoni huu unaambia nunua, kila kitu, hakuna kitu walitoa. Kwa hivyo nikakumbuka ya kwamba wakati walikuwa wanaendelea kuitisha ambulance, nikakumbuka nimesahau kitambulisho nyumbani, nikarudi hapa tena. Usiku kitu kuelekea saa 6 na madakika juu yake kidogo, tukakuta ripoti kutoka hospitali ya kwamba kijana ametuaga. Hatuna nguvu sana. Sasa ni mtoto ameenda shule bila amesema, ni msichana wangu alikuwa na rafiki yake wakamchukua Nyaburu. Inaweza kuwa ni shida kumsomesha ama kugharamia shule. Ikiwezekana serikali inaweza kusaidia sisi kama vile amefanya request.
Hapo hata kama mimi sio kiongozi, hata kama mimi sio nini, hiyo nitatetea. Yeah, it is in our constitution, it is my right. Yeah, and he had enough time. He had enough time to be saved his life. Why are we paying higher taxes if we cannot get the services we desire? And it is our right.
Toko skabusio nigo ekero ingana yobo kurumi aseke gambero agenda tekoleta liberera linene nigo oyo wango yawe sokia no yokwegerera abakoli emeremo asekiombe gya Kotu Francis Atuoli asebono aberega gusaba serikali kurwanya obukurumi bogendrete ase sector bosombi anene mono asebiti bya chindege nigo boygo aberega gusaba umurayebwense William Ruto kwegerera ekoti eli ekobage kurwanirira abakoli emeremo samarieta ikorokwa Employment and Labor Relations Court.
And that's why I say that if I will have an opportunity to meet His Excellency the President, I will kindly ask him to, as I support him, to protect our Employment and Labor Relations Court, because it's a court that is dear to me. It is because of the industrial stability we have. It is because of the support we have given to our employers as workers and the support we have given to government over the years to make sure that there is stability in industrial relations. We minimize strikes. We are responsible trade unions. This is a court that protects the weak. Therefore, we will be on forefront to protect this court. Protecting the court does not mean we support corruption. We support the president 100% on corruption and weeding out corruption in judiciary and other departments as well that are of public departments. Like now at the airport, there is a heavy corruption at the airport. I have brought it under the attention of the Minister of Transport, Honorable Ikomi. Foreigners are asked to pay some money so that they can get out with their goods.
Tutigarete asamangana arengete ebigambero nigo mubunge Mumias East Pista Silasia aberega wikiwa bosibike gambero gya Kakamega ye nasa komochigwa na mamocho ko mwaka omo MC ebe ya Malaha Isongo asamreta picha walunya na bwego turbania amatanga ya moi weekend ya eta sensemo ya Mumias nigo litukoligo ratabeta wikera na seke gambero sekeliga tebeka na ngaba wakili ba batebete buna taigwete buya ngana aberege kwa mereliwa nabo wakili bomo MC ebe nseme yo Peter Lunya.
Na huyu mtu alienda akakufa, si ndio? Haujui kwa hiyo hapo hai. Haujui maneno. So umeshtakiwa kwa makosa gani?
Togos kabusio ge kiombege kwegerera abanyagitari bose clinical officers koru ase ba ensemo babere bagwe murunganeria amonchurulio abere gagokorwa ase ensemo yo gukinigwa ama ebirogo bose gukinigwa ebirogo ase wizara yobochenu wono nigo babere bagosaba wizara bocheni gotegerera ebirero byabo agotebanga mbanjira netina monchurulio ayo abetega gokorwa.
Tumewapatia muda wa siku 14 ili waweze kutusikiza na waweze kurekebisha yale masuala tata ambayo sisi tumeyaibua. Na tumesema kwamba sio Ministry of Health peke yake ama Wizara ya Afya, lakini pia kuna ile wizara ambaye ama ile commission ambayo inasimamia masuala ya wafanyakazi. Na kwa namna hiyo tumetoa pia malalamisho yetu kwamba tunayo ile scheme of service ambaye ina-establish position za clinical officers hawaja iangazia ama kuitilia maanani wanapokuwa wakitengeneza hii organogram. Na kwa sababu hiyo wameweza kutoa ile Directorate ya Clinical Services na ikuilete chini ikawa division ambayo sisi hatukubaliani nayo. Kwa sababu hiyo inapunguza ama kuwarudisha nyanja chini wale ambao ni maafisa tabibu. Na hii imeendelea chini pia katika vitengo vingine vyote ile ambayo tunasema staff establishment ama kuwaweka maafisa wanaohitajika katika sekta muhimu zile ambazo zinahitaji kupeana huduma ya afya. Basi tumetoa tamko letu kwamba tunapinga kila kitu ambacho kilitendeka kwa sababu kuu kwamba pia hakukuwepo na stakeholders participation, kwamba we were never consulted, hatukuhusishwa kivyote vile. Basi walifanya kama siri, lakini inapokuwa itakapoendelezwa ama tekelezwa itatuaffect sana ama itakuwa inatudhuru sana.
Tutigarete asamangana arengete obochenu nigo mugavana we county ya Nakuru Susan Kihika habirega utwara egeikaro na abarayi babanyagitari asenyagitari ya Nakuru level 5 hospital nigo kwanera ogokwa asenchera yobotutukanu komonyagitari laban lagat oyo muberoye obetiko gotoka gotugutire asomutaro enyagitari eyo nate babunambagenda tako kubwatirana nebitago byoborendi rinde kwene kibuna nkomanya bare obwene igoro yogosira ko munyagitari oyo.
What we are trying to do here is just make sure that we can get to the bottom of what happened Our number one being the justice for Dr. Langat. So we must, we are working closely with the investigating officers or department and making sure that no stone is left unturned until we get to the bottom of really what happened that day. But in addition to that, we as the county government of Nakuru are looking into if there were any weak points and what we need to do to make sure that those are handled properly so that this sort of thing never ever ever happens and never ever befalls any of our staff.
Korwa se wizara yoboremi nigo mwaziri woboremi Mithika Linturi asioria omoroberi bwokwena na embusuro engi ya guchiase abaremi ensemo ya Bomet nigateba nigetambokero kirachi gokonya abaremi konyora liga sarigia asengencho embusuro eyo nigebwato bonyamasi korwa se amarwaire.
Bomet vile imekuwa na mbegu ambazo ni Gusii. Tumekuja na tumezindua ama tukafungua ofisi ya kuuza mbegu hapa ya Kenya Seed ili watapeli wakome kutapeli watu wa Bomet. Tumefika hapa na ile mbegu tumeleta hapa. Zile PS varieties amesema ni mbegu certified ambazo that will respond to the climate, to the ecological requirements of this particular county.
Omwanchu omurigerebwe TV ya Ndizi TV abunoto kwerera omwerebwa mai amangana majia Chinsa Ikomi chabono Maragoba ireterane nkoro kwa Job Mangi no abere tokobwatera na nere gweterase muno bimanyererio igakoro kwa Joshua Auta oyone kinga chibiche chiboyiko na mariogi goikirara sente boikira nigakoro kwa Polonaris akama oikira chinga kichinde na batakeire oburigereria obuya ime Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwo Gusii.
Omwana bwembe bagatebya omwana bwenguko ngaye omwana bwembe bakaboli omwana
Chingekero shomo Gusii.
Nyangweso ni ngenda tingokora.
Nyangweso
na koire ritime kora nyore ngabi oretera abantu simanya gitinge tuabeta wanjireyo
nanjire
Keraritu kori Alamisi enseye monenusu ya Maragoba.
Echinenchi ngekero cyo Gusii.